Well, smoke me a kipper and I'll be back for breakfast. Ooh. Beauty. Hello, welcome back. Oh, quick one. Anybody feel the earthquake on Sunday? I did. Ooh, scary. Apparently Wales are in bother. Anyway, enough of that. Yeah, I'm on the sheep's field again, and I'm pretty sure it's not amazing, but I think Jackie Smith might like it. I found something, I would say good, pretty good. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, it came out of that hole there. Not that you're interested in what hole it came out of. You want to see it, don't you? Can you guess? Yep, it's my first ever watch winder, and it's a little beauty, if I can pick it up. Pretty sure, I'm not going to force it, I'm pretty sure that will would swivel. But there you go, quite plain. But yeah, my first little watch winder. End's a bit, I don't know where the end is, toast actually. Right, nice one, eh? Hooray! Moving on. Well, the second decent target is in here. You can, I think you might be able to see it. Looks like, oh, hold on, we're out of focus. It's like a little tag or something. See the impression there, and there it is. A little. Oh yeah, it's got a hole in it. I don't know. Can you see anything on there? Well, it definitely is a dog tag. Nice one as well. Hand etched, and it did belong to, and don't worry, the dog isn't in there with it, Brandy. And I won't turn it over, but there is an address on the other side. I think this has probably been in the field a while, because that's a good 6-8 inch down. So, well, it'd be nice to think the dog's still with us. Doubt it, but yeah, yeah. I might pop to the address around the back and say hello, say I found this. They'll probably look at me gone out, but never mind. Anyway, there it is. Next signal, a dog tag from Brandy the dog. I thought it said Randy at first. Anyway, moving on. Right then, the next signal came out of that hole. I don't know why I keep showing the holes it came out of, but anyway. I've isolated it to here somewhere. Let's have a look. Oh, oh! Sorry. Pretty sure that's it. It's feels like it. Yeah, there she is. I think that is. Yes, it is. 1p. It's a 1 pence. It's a 1 pence from then. Nice little 1p. Come on, clean up. I think it's 1996 or something. Doesn't matter, it's 1p. Oh God, it's, oh! Moving on. Now, who wouldn't get excited when the shovel brings that up? And who wouldn't be disappointed, because I had a closer look, when it turns out to be a bloody rivet? Oh well. Oh, you got to laugh, haven't you? Moving on. Okie dokie, there is something in here somewhere. I'll just pop this up. Ooh, what is that? And it's this. What is that? Very thin. I have no idea. Ooh. Let me clean it up and I'll get back to you. Probably a token or something. Ooh, and it's that thin, the wind nearly blew it out my hand. Well, let me tell you, it's not silver, it's not gold. I'm pretty sure it is copper, but that is a copper hammered. This is my first ever hammered coin. It's definitely hammered. Well, what do you think? I think it is. I have no idea though. I'll have to look into this. I don't know what's on the back. No idea. I don't know. Const? It's a small castle or a keep. If anybody knows what that is, let me know in the comments. But that is definitely hammered coin. Oh, I love that. That is a beauty. I don't care if it's not precious. Woohoo! Hold on a minute. Yes, it's not silver. Yes, it's not gold. But yes, it's a hammered. Woohoo! Got a hammered coin. Doo, doo, doo. I better do a dance, don't I, really? Oh, God, I'm looking right idiot out here. Oh, well. Moving on. Well, smoke me a kipper and I'll be back for breakfast. This was another very similar sound to the hammered. Did I tell you I got a hammered? And it's this. I don't know what it is yet. It's just there. I think it's a button. I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh, it's gone. Where's it gone? There it is. Oh, it feels like a... Yeah. Yes, it's a little button. Sorry, I shouldn't copy folk. I don't think it's got anything on it, but hey, couldn't not dig that. A nice little button. That's a tomback button, isn't it? I'm not a button expert. I'm not an expert on anything by any means. But I know I've got a hammered. Woo! Well, there you go. One button. Moving on. Righty ho! So the next signal, a tube. That's a palm olive lather shaving cream tube, isn't it? None of your little tiddly moo tubes. Okie dokie diddly doo. Next signal is in this hole. Sorry that didn't rhyme. I just see the edge of it there. Oh no, sorry, there. What is that? I don't know. That's a bit of dirt. This isn't. I haven't tipped this over yet. Ready? What coin is it? What the bloody hell's that? What is that? Is that a chicken or a frog? Oh no. It's it's heavy. Got some weight to it. What is that? Oh shoot. Oh, hold on. It's a man. What the heck? Give me a second. I'll just clean this up and I'll get back to you. It's quite interesting, isn't it? Right, so I've cleaned it up as best I can with my little toothbrush, and it appears to have some design on this side. Don't know what that is. And then I reckon, see if you agree with me, that's William Shakespeare, isn't it? Is it? I don't know, I've no idea. I tell you what it does have though. It's got a hole at that end. And it's got it's not very old this then, is it really? And a hole at that end. What, any idea? Has anybody got any idea what on earth that is? Quite heavy. I think it's pewter. Pretty sure. It's not silver. wish. Well, I wish that'd be nice if it was. Anyway, I'm babbling. If you got any idea what that is, bang in the comments or let me know on my Facebook group, because I haven't a blooming clue. Shakespeare, innit? Oh well. Moving on. Well, having a little sit down now, and again against this nice fence on my stone, and yeah, that was quite a productive first half, if you like. Game of two halves and all that. So just quickly, a very warm welcome to all my new subs. They'll be either rolling up or rolling on the bottom, whichever way I do it, because I got it wrong last time, didn't I? Yeah, don't forget to pop over to sorry, I got some dirt in my eye. Don't forget to pop over to Shilling King Metal Detecting UK Facebook page. Jump in there. Right, let's quickly get the shout outs out of the way. I can get back digging, which, as I said last time, is what you watched me for. So, these are all brilliant channels. So get over, have a look, have a sub. First of all, I'd like to say hello to Thor's Treasure. Brilliant, brilliant channel there. Some urbex as well. Wanders through a very scary wood, spooky as you like. And also next one, Stravo Sunisha. That's Esdezik. He's doing the bottom of a dry lake bed thing which people swam in. He's getting all sorts out there. Brilliant, top channel. Of course, couldn't let today go without saying hello to Ben. They're at the Giant Garrett Metal Detectorist. I believe he's having a 250 sub giveaway shortly, so yeah, get over there, get subbed, have a jump in. This is a rather poignant one. I'd like to say hello, good evening and welcome to Craig over there at West Country Clegg, and thank him for all his help so far. He's been helping, well, helps a lot of people out. He's a good lad, very friendly. Do pop over. He's just past 400 subs, so well done, buddy. Congratulations. Aaron down there, South Coast Detecting. Hello, Aaron. Welcome for the old mic things. Brilliant, isn't it? It's absolutely fantastic. Yeah, get down there and have a look at it. Get down there. Get over there and have a look at his channel. Cheshire Metal Detecting. That's Tom. Some top tips. Tom's got so much information, it's unreal. Get over there, give him a sub, have a look. And last but not least, go and have a look at a channel called Adventures in Dirt. What he does is like a news channel, and he sort of he does 3 or 4 sort of shout out type things. But he doesn't just shout out, he sort of shows a bit of a clippy video and all sorts. Did one for me, which was awesome. Thank you very much, DK. I think it's DK, isn't it? Yeah. Cheers, buddy. Right, that's it for me. I won't talk too much. Need to get back out and digging. Did I tell you I got hammered? Not got hammered, got a hammered. Copper hammered, woohoo! And if you've any idea of that little thing with a face on is, it looks like William Shakespeare to me. Give us a shout, pop it in the comments, wherever. And if you're watching this and you haven't subbed, why not? I'm brilliant. Oh, sorry, that was rubbish, wasn't it? Right, let's get back and dig up some stuff. Okie dokie, first signal after we sit down is this. And I don't know what it is. It looks like a piece of lead. But I don't know what. Oh no. Yeah, oh, it's definitely lead. Right, I'm not going to bend it. I'll give it a clean up and I'll show you what it is. Whatever it is. Well, I think it might have been something once. Now it's just a crumbly bit of lead. I don't know. Nothing. Handy tip number 3706. Always put something heavy on your glove so that when you look up from doing your filming and stuff, it's not halfway across the field. Just thought that might help. Moving on. Okie dokie. Pig and a pokey. Well, it was down there. It's here somewhere now. There it is. And that was that was over a foot down, that. Wonder what it is. Very thin. Oh, it's very thin. What can this be? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Ooh. Right, let me clean this up a little and I'll get back to you. Well, there you go. Is this hammered number 2? Again, I know it's not silver or gold, but wow. Look at that. Do you see anything on there? I think I can see a crown. I don't know if I've got it the right way up, so let me flip it. Look at that. Any ideas? Give us a clue. Is that upside down? Don't know. But just wow. Oh, I love that. Woohoo! Double hammered day. Well, hammered or... Oh. Token, jetton. I don't care. That's struck. That is definitely a struck coin. And I have... Oh, is it that way up? Oh yeah, no, it's there. There you go. Wow. Cute. Yeah, if you just let me know. Buzzing. Number 2. Beauty. Okie dokie. And all that jazz. Next signal was this. Any idea who the EBCL is? I think that's what it says. EBCL. Any ideas? Just a brass plate. That'll do me. Moving on. Okay, well, the last thing I expected to find in this field, although I'm not surprised really, is a jet engine compressor blade. That is definitely, I know, because that's what I do, that is a jet engine turbine compressor blade. Probably from a Bristol aircraft because it's BR, I'm not sure actually, I don't know if you can you see that? There we go. If you want to look that up, see if you can tell me what aircraft that's from, kudos points for that. But it's definitely a compressor blade because it hasn't got, there's no, although you can see it looks like it's gapped, there are no cooling holes, so it's not a turbine blade. That is a compressor blade. And looking at the size, well, dependent on engine, I don't know, it depends on the engine, but wow. Hey, who'd have thought? Only about 6 inches down. So that's remnants of a nasty accident. Hope all involved got out okay. There you go. A jet engine compressor blade. Cool. So 2 hammies, a little funny face, and a jet engine compressor blade. Wow. Amazing. Anyway, moving on. Right, I better be quick because my battery's gone. So that's it for me. Had a great day, a couple of lemons, etc. Bits and bobs. So stay safe, fill your holes, wear gloves, all the good stuff. Have fun. Good luck and happy hunting, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.